Here are some sustainable laundry tips I follow to be kinder to the planet. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my sustainable laundry routine. For context, I'm a mom with 2 teenage boys and I also have a husband. I like to do my laundry with my kids' clothing and my husband likes to do his own laundry. We will do, between myself and the kids, we will do 2 big loads of laundry a week and my husband will do 1 for himself. We're all probably washing our clothes way too much. Washing your clothes a lot damages the fibers, breaking down the material and making it look worn. It also releases microplastics into our waterways. Jeans don't actually have to be washed that often. Same with sweaters. You can wear them up to 10 times between washes as long as it doesn't smell bad. Same with outerwear. They can be worn multiple times before you wash them. Workout clothing, socks, and underwear should be thrown to wash after every wear. I keep clothing that I wore but are not really dirty on this side of my room. I rotate these sweaters for the month. Also, I don't really go out and I work from home, so I'm not sweating that much. If your clothing is just a little bit dirty, you can spot clean it. This way you can continue wearing it without throwing the whole thing to wash. This saves water too. If you go out, you don't necessarily have to wash your clothes. You can freshen it up by hanging it outside. The sun will disinfect it naturally. Any delicate items like this dress or lace are going to be washed by hand because I want them to last a long time. Washing smaller loads uses almost the same amount of energy as larger loads, so make sure to wash a big load instead. You can use laundry strips. They're lighter, so they're less heavy to transport, though I've heard conflicting environmental issues about them. I like to use this liquid laundry detergent I got in bulk and fill my own container. I just use less of the product. It cleans my clothing really well. Use a high-efficiency washer if you can afford it. It uses less water and energy, making it better for the planet. They spin faster and remove more water, making your clothes dry faster. Avoid fabric softeners. They contain chemicals that are harmful to aquatic life. Instead, use wool dryer balls. It will help your clothes dry faster too. Maintain your appliances. After every load, make sure to clean the lint filter. It will make your machine last longer and work more efficiently, saving you time and energy. I've had so many problems with my clothes shrinking in the dryer, so that's why I prefer to air dry mine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you thought it was informative and let me know, what does your sustainable laundry routine look like? Until next time, keep being friendly to the planet.